Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So today I have a incoming swap that I received over a week ago, and I've been really busy, so I haven't opened it. The only thing I did was cut the tape to make it easier to open. And I shared my swap with you guys that I sent out, and this was my return. So it was the pill container swap, and my partner was Millie Rivera, and the group that I'm in is Made by You. I am going to have the group linked in the description box in case you guys want to go in there and take a peek. So they have a lot of fun swaps, and they're usually pretty quick, and you know, sometimes we don't have time for the bigger swaps, the group swaps or something like that. So that's why I went ahead and joined this one. It's a fun group. So like I said, I have not opened this. And yeah, so look at all this yumminess in there. So it's got a lot of sugar. Oh, look at this. Look at these pretty snowflakes. Oh my gosh. They're up on foam. They are so pretty. Look at the pink one. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. That's pretty. I wonder what kind of paper she used. This, oh, she doubled it. That's so pretty. Thank you, Millie. Pretty. And here's another one. Oh, I'm sure I'm gonna save these. These are so pretty. Love those. So let me, and there's some berries in here. So let me take some of this out so we can see a little bit better. Okay, let's go with whatever's on top, which is, this one's easier. And she made me a little box. And so she put some chocolates in here, guys. Oh, yummy. Ferrero Rocher. I like this little box. I sure will reuse it. That's so pretty. Love the paper. So there's that. And then this one's next. And look at this wand. My gosh, look at that. Let's open this up. Oh, her straw is really strong. She may have put something in the center of it to make it stronger, but look at that. Isn't that cute? That's a little cupcake. And in the cupcake, she's got the cupcake liners, and this is a little cupcake, guys, and the little cupcake has a tree. It's got a candy cane. Let me see if you can, oh, I don't know if I was in frame. It's got that cute little candy. Oh, this is so darling. Look at this, guys. I wonder if she made that. That looks so real, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. I may just stick that in my tree next year. So cute. Little trim at the bottom. Very adorable. Just love it. Oh my gosh. She's got, I guess, glitter on the top. So super cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Wow, thank you, Millie. Love that. And then she's got an ornament with my name on it. Oh my gosh. I gotta open this, guys. Look at this. That is so pretty. I love that. It's the plastic ornament. Oh my goodness. I love that. She's got a little acorn, a little pine cone with some bells and a pink bow. Oh, I love my pink. So I think this one goes this way. So adorable. I just love the little hanger too. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Love it. So look at that. That is so adorable. I just love it. Thank you, Millie. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to use that next year. Next year I'm going to have a tree here in my craft room. So I'm going to put that on my tree. Okay? So next up, she's got some little, I think they're tags, but I'm not sure. Look at this. I wonder, Millie, you'll need to tell me if you your clay pieces are something that you made. Look at this bow. Isn't it gorgeous? I have a swap coming up and I think I'm going to use this bow. Maybe not because of the candy cane. I don't want to tear it apart. How pretty. I have to open this. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. What a great idea. I don't have to, she's used paper clips on the inside to hold this together and just clip it onto, oh my gosh, that is such a great idea. I'm gonna have to figure out how you did that. That is such a good idea. You don't have to tape or staple anything. Oh my gosh. I'll figure it out. If you know, I'll figure it out and let you guys know, because this is such a great idea. I'll ask Millie first if it's okay for me to share, but that is so cool. I'm that's cool. Okay, so here are these little, I don't know if they're tags or ornaments. They're little tags. Well, I guess you could use them either way. You know what? I'll use them on my tree as ornaments next year, because they're blank on the back. I could use I can use them either way. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh, I love those, Millie. Thank you. Really love those. And then let's open this tree. Oh my gosh. Now, this is adorable. Look at this. Oh, look at the tiny little tag. Merry and Bright. How cute. How stinking cute is this? She used, it looks like a big wooden spool. That's what it looks like. She wrapped it in this pink ruffled trim. She put some beads at the bottom. How cute. Look at this tree, guys. Oh my gosh. Millie, thank you so much. Look at all that work that went into this. Wow. That is just awesome. I love it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I love it. I love it. That is so pretty. I may leave that one out all year. And then here she's got something else. Oh, it might be a card. Let us see what this is. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, a little gingerbread house. Gingerbread, I can't remember the name of this paper. Could be Mente, I'm not sure. And then if we open it up, I don't want to open it the wrong way. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It says, Merry Christmas, enjoy the swap. Hugs, Millie. Oh my gosh, Millie, you outdid yourself. I don't know if I did enough. Look at that. That is so pretty. And then there's her stamp on the back. Made by You is the name of the group. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I like her style. She just makes everything sturdy, thick and sturdy. Just love that. I try to do that with everything. You know what? I don't know if I would have thought about using the brown paper in the background, the glitter paper. That is so pretty. That is just adorable. Thank you, Millie. And then she actually, oh, let's look at this one. Look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. I just love that. Look at the pink background. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Happy holidays, joy. And then look, she used one for the topper that, yeah, guys, I'm gonna use these next year as well. Love it. Look at, I don't know if she used, I think she did the same. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask Millie how she did this or figure it out. Oh, I just love that idea. I'll have to figure it out or ask her. Aren't these pretty? Those are so pretty. And then look at these bigger ones. I just love this paper. Oh, I love these. I hope I'm in frame, guys. Oh, pretty much. Oh, look at that. Of course, you guys know I love shakers. I'm just not very good at making them. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then she sent me a little gift because I'm saving the main project for last. And she has sent me a stamp set. Okay, I was able to remove this without cutting it, so I'll figure this one out because I don't think I have this color. So she sent me a stamp set. It's a woodware craft collection. That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. Hey, Millie, thank you. Peace, love, and joy. Yes, for the entire year, let's hope. Woodware craft collection clear stamp set. Francois Reed. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. Made in the UK. Creative Expressions, UK. That's so pretty. I love that. Thank you, Millie. I appreciate that. And then she sent me a paper pad, and it is winter themed. I'm not gonna say, well, yeah, it is Christmas because it's got the Christmas trees, but I'm sure we can use it for, look at that. We can use this for just winter. Oh, how cute. Hang on. I had to cut it, guys, so I can open it with you and thumb through it real quick. So that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't do a lot of blues, but this is really pretty. Oh, look at this. That is so cute. Looks like it's got 2 of everything. Silver Christmas trees. The little, you know, snowflake stars. Full sheet. Look at that. That's so cute. You know, I could die cut these out. They don't have to be used for Christmas. I could die cut these out and use them as a nautical theme. And then there's the flower page. Love my flower pages. And you could use this for anything. And then the border page. And then, oh, I love this one. The winter scene. Just love it. And there you go. Love these. I have not bought paper in a minute, so I don't know what's out there, what isn't out there. So thank you, Millie. I appreciate it. I don't know, it's my OCD, guys. Sometimes my OCD just acts crazy and makes me do things that, you know, don't need to be done right at the moment. But here we go. Pretty, pretty. Love it. Thank you, Millie. And then here is the main project. So I'm going to remove this so we can look at it a little closer. Okay, guys, so this is the main project. This is what we were supposed to make. This was a requirement. And if you saw my video of me sharing mine, it was a Pillbox. I could not find the single one, so I sent her a double one. But she had a single one apparently, and gosh, look at this paper, so pretty. I wonder if that's digital. So pretty. Look at that, guys. Vintagey. Look at this Santa Claus with the different hats. I just love this paper. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then she put a little dangle on here with a garment pin. She put a snowflake, some bells. Look at this cute little acorn. Oh my gosh, guys. We have an oak tree in the front yard, and there has been this woodpecker just pecking all over our tree. We love that tree. It's beautiful. And if you know how to get rid of woodpeckers, please let me know. It's just so annoying. I have holes all over my tree. Okay, and then she put this little light bulb. So super cute. This cute little bow, happy holidays, and this adorable Santa. That's so cute. So I will pull this out. Yeah, scared of these to pop open and me spill everything. But there it was. We were supposed to put it on a, you know, make a sleeve for it. So super cute. And then this is her box. Let me make sure I don't have to flip it. No. Okay, this is her box, and look at that. She put all the images on the front. How cute. So super adorable. And then here are some wood beads. These are so pretty. I can actually use some of these for Valentine's. Oh, and she put an image on the inside as well. And then here's the Santa. And then she's got some little wooden veneers, some wooden shapes in here. Let's see what these are. Oh, look, she's got some little gingerbread guys. Those are so cute. I don't remember seeing gingerbread guys anywhere, but I haven't been shopping, so. And then some snowflakes. She's got 3 different snowflakes. Very pretty. If I paint them white and pink, I think I'll be super happy. And then she's got some peppermints. This one's sugared. And this one has glitter on it, and this one's the small one. They almost look good enough to eat. So super cute. Oh my gosh, love those. Thank you, Millie. And then this one has Santa, and then she's got some pom-poms in that one. And then this one has, oh yes, Santa again. And she's got cabochons in this one. Oh, I wish I could take them all out and just. There we go. Okay. And then she's got, oh, look at these. Those are so cute. Let me see if I can, I'm in frame, guys, because I want you to see that. Yep. So she's got some Santa Clauses. She's got some snowman. Here's another one on a present. A little, a stocking. Here's another one. A couple of trees. A wreath. Present. Oh, here's another stocking. And look at that cute little reindeer. So super cute. Thank you, Millie. I love these. Appreciate it. Alrighty, and in the next one, she's got, there's another Santa Claus. Oh, she's got some, you know what? I think these might be Buttons Galore and More mix. I thought I saw something like this in their website. I just ordered some for a swap, and I think I just saw this in there. So it's got blue and white snowflakes. It's got some, just bead-like clay pieces, and it's got some pearls in there. This is really pretty, and it goes with that paper pad really well, doesn't it? Love that. Thank you, Millie. And last but not least, she has got some buttons in this one, Christmas buttons, guys. Oh man, these are pretty. Christmas trees, snowman. Oh, look at that little cupcake. A swirly that's like a peppermint. The gingerbread, another tree, and another snowman. So super adorable. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Millie, thank you so much. I just love everything. Everything was beautiful. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and look for those links in the description box. I appreciate everyone. Thank you so much, and we will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks, guys.